Salut! Je m'appelle Domino Santantonio. One of my biggest early influences was watching Travis Barker take songs that originally had no real drums and then turn them into exciting and inspiring performances. Playing my favorite pop songs has given me the opportunity to connect with a huge audience around the world. So if you're a drummer, I really hope this video inspires you to choose your favorite pop song and create your own drum cover and then share it with the world.
If you don't wanna see me, did a full 180, crazy, thinking about the way I was. Did the heartbreak change me? Maybe, but look at where I ended up. I'm all good already, so moved on, it's scary. I'm not where you left me at all. So, if you don't wanna see me dancing with somebody, if you wanna believe that anything could stop me, don't show up, don't come out, don't start caring about me now. Walk away, you know how. Don't start caring about me now. Aren't you the guy who tried to hurt me with the word goodbye? Though it took some time to survive you, I'm better on the other side. I'm all good already, so moved on, it's scary. I'm not where you left me at all. So, if you don't wanna see me dancing with somebody, if you wanna believe that anything could stop me, don't show up, don't come out, don't start caring about me now. Walk away, you know how. Don't start caring about me now. Don't stop now. I'm not where you left me at all. So, if you don't wanna see me dancing with somebody, if you wanna believe that anything could stop me, don't show up, don't come out, don't stop caring about me now, walk away, you know how, don't stop caring about me now.
The role of drums in popular music has changed. And as drummers, we have to adapt to a world of produced drum beats in popular songs. So as you can see, I'm a huge fan of doing pop covers. I think that it's an amazing way to reach out to people out there that maybe knew the pop song but didn't know that we could play acoustic drums on it. So I think it's a good way to reach out for a lot of non-drummers and also, of course, for the drummers out there. Please give it a try to play over some of your favorite pop songs and have fun while doing this. I think that you don't need to push pop music away. You can give it a try and really be creative and have fun while doing it. And if you don't play the drums, then I hope this video reminds you of what this amazing instrument brings to the music.